10th class marks. This is 10th class mathematics. I'll continue to yesterday's topic. So find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. Completing the square. Here the method of completing the square. Four x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Already you know about find the square roots of the given quadratic equation in the factorization form. Again, this is the completing the square root. Completing the square root means 4x square plus 4 root 3x equal to minus 3. Completing the square root means we can write the given equation a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square in the form. So this is not completely. So we add some digits or some variables, then we get the required form 2x whole square plus 2 into 2ab 2x, this is a, 2 into 2a, we can write 4 2 into 2x root 3 equal to minus root 3. We just 4 root 3 x, we write 2 into 2 4 x root 3. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square, there is no b square, we add here. What is b here? B equal to root 3. So add b square equal to root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square equal to 3 in both sides. In both sides we get 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x root 3 plus root 3 whole square 3 equal to minus 3 plus 3. Have you understood? This is the main step. So a square plus 2ab plus b square or else root 3 whole square, no problem. 2x plus root 3 whole square, 2x plus root 3 whole square equal to minus 3 plus 3 0, 2x plus root 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus root 3, x equal to minus root 3 by 2, x equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now the roots are equal. The roots are equal. Roots are equal. Copy down. Five x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. 5x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we cannot write 5x total whole square. So 5x square minus 7x equal to plus 6. Divide by 5 on both sides. 5x square by 5 minus 7 by 5x equal to 6 by 5. Now x square minus 2ab term, 2ab, 2a, 2x, 2 into x, b. Seven by 10. B square want 7 by 10 square. So adding both sides, 7 by 10 whole square, we get x square minus 2x into 7 by 10 plus 7 by 10 whole square equal to 6 by 5 minus 6 by 5 plus 7 by 10 whole square. 7 by 10 whole square. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square. X minus 7 by 10 whole square equal to here 6 by 5 plus 7 square 49 by 100. 49 by 100. Now x minus 7 by 10 whole square equal to 100 LCM 20 times 20 into 6 120 plus 1 time 49. X minus 7 by 10 whole square equal to 100, 120, 169, 169, 120 plus 49, 169. X minus 7 by 10 equal to root 169 by 100. Root 169 by 100. X minus 7 by 10 equal to root 169. 13 13s. 13 by 10 this is equal. X equal to 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10. This is equal to x equal to 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10. 10, 13 plus. Here plus or minus 13 by 10. X equal to plus 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10. by 10 is equal to or x equal to minus 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10. 10 minus 13 plus 7. 6 by minus 6 by 10. Minus 6 by 10 3 times 5 times minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Capital student, most important. X square plus 5 equal to minus 6. It is not in the complete form. X square implies x square minus 6x plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus 6x equal to minus 5. minus 5 implies x square plus 2x into 2x into 3 2ab equal to minus 5 2ab. What is the b term? 2 into x 2ab, b term is 3, so b term is 3. Add add 3 square both sides, therefore or we get x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square minus 5 plus 3 square a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, x plus b whole square, so x plus 3 whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square, here ax b3 equal to minus 5 plus 9 x plus 3 whole square equal to 4 minus 5 plus 9 4 x plus 3 equal to root 4 plus or minus 2 x plus 3 equal to plus or minus 2 x equal to 3 plus 2 or 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2 or 3 plus 2 or 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2 5 or 3 minus 1 1, x equal to 5 or x equal to 1, x equal to 3 plus 2 or x equal to 3 minus 2, x equal to 5 or x equal to 5 or x equal to 1, x equal to 5 or x equal to 1, the answer. Now, what is find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question number 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. In question number 1, we solve the completing the square root system. Here the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? What is given? The first one, 2x square plus x minus 4. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Here, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. What is a x square coefficient a? Here, a equal to 2. What is b x coefficient? b equal to 1. C constant, c equal to minus 4. c equal to minus 4. Therefore, roots are minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Very simple. X equal to b square minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute. What is b? 1 minus 1 plus or minus root of b square 1 square 4 into a. What is a? 2 into c minus 4 by 2 a into a2. This equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square 1 root of 1 minus and plus 4 2s are 8 8 4s are 32 by 4 minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 by 4 33 by 4 x equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 or x equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. That's it. Copy down. It's very simple. Equal to minus 6x. X square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to plus 5. C equal to plus 5. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 3. Minus, what is b? 6 plus or minus root of b square 6 square minus 4a c 5 by 2a 2 into 1 minus 6 plus or minus 6 square 36 minus 20 by 2 minus 6 plus or minus root 36 minus 20 16 by 2 x equal to minus 6 plus root 16 4 by 2 or x equal to minus 6 minus 4 by 2 x equal to minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 by 2 or x equal to minus 10 by 2 x equal to minus 1 or x equal to minus 5. Type it down. Here x square minus 1 equal to 3. X square minus 1 equal to 3x. X square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 1. For x equal to formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. What is b? Minus 3. Minus 3. B square minus 3 whole square. Minus 4ac. 4a. 1. C minus 1. By 2. Minus to minus plus 3. minus 3 whole square 9 plus 4 by 2. 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2. X equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2 or x equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. That's it. Copy down. Children, practice all these. Each and every sum practice 2 times.